skateboarding is already hard enough. Why don't we make it harder? I wouldn't believe it if I wasn't laying my own eyes on it right now. All right, everyone. My name is Gabe Cruz. Welcome back to the Braille Skateboarding channel, where we are revamping the ideas, revamping the content, and bring you ideas that you've never seen in our history. Today, I present to you blueprints to my grand creation, my grand scheme, the wooden rail 1.0. When we skate grind rails, typically they're made out of metal. You can grind on them, you can slide, it's safe. If you get stuck, you put wax on it, and that's it. Quite boring, quite uneventful, and just the norm. Today, we're venturing far away from that norm to build something I do not know has ever been built before. So I went to the hardware store before this video. I bought some incredible things, and we're gonna build, to the best of my ability, a wooden rail, which I'm then gonna surprise Glow with over there in the skate park. We're gonna see if we can board slide it, if we can grind it, if it even is durable enough to do a single trick on it. But we wanna know what you think. Leave it in those comments below right now. And make sure you hit that like button and help us keep going on this channel. So here's my very rough blueprints, which, if you ask Derek, is much more detailed and better than most of the things I do on this channel, because most of the time I think of an idea and I just send it. I actually really thought about this for a solid 4 minutes. So I couldn't find any wooden rods that were the width of a regular like flat bar, but what I did find were these two, which I will put together like this. And I think this is even better because if you grind on it like this and your kingpin is hanging below, then it will kind of just go and sink into this little area in the middle right here. It'll kind of sink right here, the kingpin, into this area, and won't actually catch on the wood, and then hopefully not really impact what we're doing. So this is the top layer. These two are supports because I do not trust these on their own. So I'm gonna stack these underneath as so, and then these will be on top like this. And this is what our rail will look like. And then I have some 2x6s I'm gonna cut in half. I'm gonna go ahead and put some support beams here, some stands, some leg supports, and it's gonna be as legit of a wooden rail as we possibly can make. Put a little nice spray paint coat on there, and it's gonna look real nice. So I'm gonna take you along for this ride. Hi, Nigel.
Are you sciencing some science?
Dude, I am freaking sciencing.
Can you be careful with the science of that science?
I'm getting rid of that. Dude, I am sciencing so hard right now. Let me break it down for you. So think about this. Grind rail flat bar.
Okay.
What's it made out of?
Metal, steel?
Yes.
Yeah.
Easy to skate?
Yeah.
The norm?
Yeah.
Why do we just keep going back to the norm?
Oh no. Where is this going,
Why?
Dave?
Skateboarding is already hard enough. Why don't we make it harder?
Are you making a wooden rail, right? Is that what you're doing?
Welcome to Braille Studios. I even thought about the kingpins in the middle. This is dipped down so if your kingpin doesn't...
Slides, 100%. Slides make sense.
5-0? Maybe. See, the thoughts are going. And that's how you know this is a thought-provoking, fantastic exercise of an idea.
This might be good. But my only issue is, how are you going to combat the trucks digging into the wood?
Well, that I can't because, I have no power over wood. If I was like a wood bender...
Instead of Magneto, you'd be...
Woodneato. 2.5. Boom. Derek, do you believe in me?
Yeah.
Do the people believe me? Leave it in the comments below. Look at this thing. Are we okay? Internal organs? Check. Are we all right?
Oh my goodness.
It was just the plastic, right?
Yeah.
I thought the blade came off. I thought that was it. I thought I was done. We have absolutely done it.
Unbelievable.
Looks good? Thank you. I wouldn't believe it if I wasn't laying my own eyes on it right now. It was a pleasure. Pleasure working with you, Derek. Immaculate, accurate, precision.
Just like the blueprint.
Just like the blueprint, if not better than the blueprint. Ladies and gentlemen, viewers of the Braille Skateboarding YouTube channel. I appreciate you joining us on this journey. There's some videos right there. No, I'm just kidding. Imagine if we just ended it.
One eternity later.
You know what time it is? You know what time it is.
GTA walk, baby.
Are you excited for your invention?
That's what I'm talking about, baby.
Brother, what did you make here?
I did this for you, my man. I know you like to skate the flat bars, the rails, whatever you want to call them, so I done made you one out of wood.
Bruh.
Do you see this thing?
Let me get the beam balance. Oh. Now, brother, now that's an invention right there.
What do you think?
I think this might be the first ever. I think I'm gonna might need some more wax for this.
Yeah, you can wax it as much as you want, do your thing. I think board slide, 100% possible. But any grinds, unless it's like a 5.0 or only one truck on there, I don't know about a grind. In terms of durability, do I think it'll last? Yes. I actually think it'll be pretty hard to break this thing.
I'm not gonna lie, if we don't break it, I'm putting a piece of coping over the top.
Dude, that's not a bad idea.
I like the stableness you got me right here. Normally people will miss this middle leg, but Gabe knows we skate a lot.
All right, Glow, the time is now.
Damn.
Wooden rail.
Did someone give you this in the comments or you just came up with it?
I think it just came to me.
You were just chilling at night one night and you said, you know what, I'm gonna make this for the guys.
No, I mean, I might have seen it subliminally in an email or something. So if that's the case, 100% of the credit goes to that person.
If you did do that, leave in the comments below.
Yeah.
We love you.
But the only thing I'm taking credit for is this build, brother. How is it? Give it to me on like real scale, 1 to 10.
I'm not gonna lie, it's definitely a solid 9.7.
That's a good number right there, man.
The only reason why I'm giving you 9.7, I just like this on this side a little bit longer.
Okay.
That's,
No, that's
my
fair.
only critique. The
Structural
real
integrity.
question is, Derek, should I start off front side or back side?
1000% front side, brother.
Oh, heck no. Heck no. You gotta go backside, bro.
Oh!
You know what? Hey, we'll Rochambeau. Front side versus back side right here. Ready? 1, 2, shoot. No!
Shout out this person that sent us this wax. Y'all the real ones.
What?
I'm gonna get buck wild on it
No way!
Holy!
Is it buttery?
It's insane!
It feels more buttery than a metal rail. Oh, dude. Kickflip front board would be crazy. Dude, it slides.
Oh!
What the heck? Oh my God! Are you serious?
That's one of the best builds I've seen.
We got the glow approval right there. Remember what I said, Derek? When it all comes together, when we're done with this build, a single tear might go down my face. Whoever's editing this, can you put a tiny tear? Oh yeah, dude. That thing is solid as a rock. No, okay, look, no, I need people to really look. Like, this is wood. This is real wood. Dude, I think you should go for it.
You know, here at Braille, we love the people, so whatever happens, happens right now. I'm terrified.
Oh! Well, look at that. Yeah, you stuck instantly. You know what I was like, really? I was really expecting, like, it looks good, we built it well, you pop on one time, you just stick, and there's just nothing you can do to make it slippery.
Yep, not here at BrailleSkateboarding.com. You heard me?
That's right. Derek, we've done it. We've really done it.
Yeah,
dude.
it's working.
It feels so cool.
You know what I think is cool about it too is the sound. It doesn't sound like a regular rail.
All right, next try. It's actually insanely buttery.
You stuck?
A little bit, but maybe it was my weight distribution. I ate a whole burrito right now and a taco. Gabe asked me a serious question yesterday. He goes, if you had one thing to eat the rest of your life, would it be burrito or street tacos?
Like you had to get one. Get rid of one forever.
Yeah, I had to get rid of one. Burrito or street tacos. And I 100% said I would get rid of the tacos. I'm a burrito lover. Leave in the comments what you would pick.
I'm keeping burrito. I'd probably go with burrito. You know what's the real question though is get rid of metal rail or get rid of wooden rail. I'm getting rid of the metal. Get the metal out of here.
You can't kill the metal. The metal will live on.
Nigel.
Does it work? Does
Dude,
it grind
it is
too?
1000% butter. Butter, bro.
I'm stinky. Hold on.
Nigel, he's doing a front board big spin on a wooden rail.
Next try.
Oh no.
Oh wow. Bro, what?
I know!
I don't wait. What?
I know! Nigel, why does it work? Why does it work?
Bro, this is crazy. Oh!
It ain't going nowhere. I'm so unbelievably hyped. Hey, is it back tail time?
That's what I was thinking.
Back tail time. Yeah. Oh, our first stick. Put a little wax on the tail. You good? Whoa! That's what I thought would happen.
It like slid. I felt it go.
5-0 is probably the trick to do, like grind wise. Hey, front crook on it, and it's the realest rail ever. Imagine that.
It wants to go so bad. I think 5-0 might be easier.
Oh, that was it. Whoa! Whoa! That is not something that happens to a metal rail. Oh, it got Titanic.
That hurt my soul.
Oh, it broke! You broke it!
I'm gonna break the mic now. I'm gonna go home.
No.
I'm about to cry.
There you go.
Leave in the comments right now. You can help me on my weight loss journey so this doesn't happen again.
Hey, me too.
I need a 30-day plan, meals, exercises, and how to do it.
Yeah, damage report. How's it looking?
A couple of little dents here and there. Right here.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Longer 5-0. See if I can hold it. I can feel it start to slow down.
It was working. Bro, you do that. Video over.
Should I try one?
Just send it.
Hold on.
Okay. Oh, you might be nearing the end.
I tried it. I'm not.
No, you committed. You're right. Last try. Oh.
In the arms of the angel.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, the screws got ripped out!
Oh, wow.
Are you Are you alright?
I hope you enjoyed that. Literally went for it. I thought I was gonna land it.
Oh my god.
Nah, bro, you tweaking now. What the?
We gotta end this video before someone gets hurt, man.
Yo, that was too good. Let me get one more. It's honestly low-key really fun.
I'm done. I'm literally shocked.
You mind if I try one?
Dude, I hope you land it for
This might be my new favorite thing here, dude. I don't know.
Dang it!
I had a good run.
Teeter totter? Sure.
Alright, we got the teeter-totter going. You're done!
Why have you created the funnest ledge ever?
I'm cutting you off! I'm cutting you
I don't know
off!
why it's so fun.
No.
It's like smoother than all the other. It's just smooth.
Alright, now Nigel, before we end this video, I need your honest reaction. 1 to 10. How is my rail?
I give you a 9.6 on this one. I ain't gonna lie. If it was longer, if these are a little bit more sturdy, this thing's gonna last.
Whoa.
When this video first started with that, I heard you said, you know what, I'm gonna build you something that it's gonna take me a little while, so I need you to deeply relax because it's gonna take me a long time, and the first trick you might break it, but look how far we came.
How far we came. Who would have thought? Who would have thought?
Honestly,
Oh. Uh-oh. Be careful, you might slide more on the wooden one than you do on the metal one. Oh! Yeah! Back to back! Solid. Well,
Thank you.
thank you.
That was good.
I'm glad you guys enjoyed it.
I actually had a blast. It was absurd.
I'm gonna fix this. We're keeping this here.
All you lovely people out there, we love you over here. Thank you guys for watching. Gabe made something revolutionary. We might have to sell these on the website. I don't know yet. They're amazing. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment below. We'll see you beautiful people in the next adventure.